Now relight the sign.
The new Domino Sugars sign over Baltimore's South Waterfront lit up the sky on the 4th of July.
Oh my, it can be seen from everywhere.
Baltimore canceled fireworks for the 4th, but the city's nightlight is back on. Baltimore's beacon gets a big party. The 70-year-old Domino Sugars sign went dark in March for repairs, but it made its comeback on America's birthday.
And a lot of people associate Baltimore, the city itself, with that sign. When they're driving down 95, they're like, hey, you know, I remember that sign. You actually worked there. So it's definitely a point of reference for folks that don't live in Baltimore, but, you know, understand Domino Sugar.
From being in your coffee to a main ingredient in your cake, the sweet sign exploded with glee. The party guests were told there would be a light show, but then surprise fireworks over the Patapsco.
This sign was first put up here in 1951, and then over the past several months has undergone a huge renovation. We took down the old rusting steel letters and replaced them with new aluminum letters that are exact copies, but use LED lighting instead of neon tubing.
If you're worried about the look changing, here's the before and after.
We went to great pains to ensure that the sign kept the same look that people love. So we matched that yellow color on the sign facing, that paint. We went back to the original sign, used the colorimeter, found the exact yellow that was used at that time, and that's what's painted on the sign.
The letters are so big, the dot on the I alone is 5 feet tall and the D is 35 feet. The letters are new. The structure itself is the same one from 1951, but was repainted.
Through the years, the yellow got dimmer and the rust started showing, and the neon actually started changing up a little bit.
It was manufactured by Gable and will reduce energy usage and carbon emissions.
From the Baltimore area to almost every U.S. city, we've done some pretty amazing work, but this one right here tops the cake. What do you say?
The longest-serving employee at the sugar refinery lit the sign, which also celebrates the refinery's 100th year of operation.
It represents the 100 years of people being able to come here to this plant and make a good living for themselves and for their children.
And the rockets regular, the bombs bursting in air.
Domino Sugars, 2 words, 12 letters, and a dash of fireworks present the perfect recipe to celebrate Baltimore's sign. For Chesapeake Bay Media's Bay Bulletin, I'm Cheryl Costello.